As you can see on this fourth slide, I have an image on the left and a contents placeholder on the right. In this placeholder, I can insert text, a table, a chart, a picture, or another clip art like this one. You can see that a bullet appears by default in this type of placeholder in this slide layout. I do want to enter a list of steps for the team exercise, so I'll just place the insertion points in the placeholder and type the first step in the exercise. Now, press enter on your keyboard and type the next step. As I pressed enter, the new bullets appeared so I could type the next step in my list. And we'll do the same thing again. The bullet that is used is a default bullet that is defined by the theme of your presentation. We are using the urban theme, so this is the default bullet for urban. But what if you don't like the bullet defined by the theme? Well, don't worry, you're not stuck with it. You can easily change the bullet style so a specific bullet will always appear on this slide. Simply select the bulleted list and text. On the Home tab, you'll notice the bullets command in the paragraph group is highlighted. This just shows you that the text you have selected is a bulleted list. You can click the command to toggle the bulleted list off and on. To change the bulleted style, select the drop-down arrow next to the bullets command. We can see several bullet styles and the one that is currently being used is selected. As you hover over each, a live preview of the bullet style is displayed on the slide. If you see one that you like, simply left click it and the new bullets will appear in the list. But what if you don't like any of those bullet choices or want to change the color or size of the current bullet? Just make sure your text is still selected and then select the drop-down arrow next to the bullets command again. At the bottom of the menu, select Bullets and Numbering. A dialog box appears. At the top, you have two tabs, Bulleted and Numbered, which you can choose between. From here, you can do several different things. You can switch to a different bullet style, choose to display no bullets, or change the color of the existing bullet. You can even change the size of the bullets if you want it to appear larger or smaller than the text. If you click the picture button, the picture bullet dialog box appears. From here, you can choose from many picture bullets that are used in the Office 2007 templates. There are some simple ones and some interesting ones. You can even import your own pictures. Once you have one you like, just click OK to insert the bullet. I don't want to use a picture, so we'll just click Cancel. If you click the Customize button, the symbol dialog box appears. We can use the scroll bar to scroll through these choices or the font drop-down menu to choose another set to view. There are some good bullet options in the wingding section, so I'm going to select that. Oh, look at all of these new choices. Here, I think I like this arrow. Now click OK in the symbol dialog box. The arrow symbol now appears in the list of possible bullet choices. I like the arrow, but I think this open circle may look nice. I'll just select it and then click OK to apply it to my slide. But what if I decide I want to change a bulleted list to a numbered list or add a numbered list from scratch? Just select the text and click the drop-down arrow next to the numbering command on the Home tab. I can choose one of the options from the menu or choose bullets and numbering at the bottom. We'll just select that and open the bullets and numbering dialog box. From here, you can select any of the options and change the size and color of the numbers. You can also determine the number that you want to use to start the list. I think this one is simple, and a numbered list will work on this slide since these are steps the teams have to take. There, that looks really good. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a look at the other slides. By default, a bullet was in the placeholder when we inserted our text on slide 3. But I don't really need a bullet here because I don't have a list. To remove the bullet, all you need to do is select the text and click the bullets command. There, that looks good. Bulleted and numbered lists are used often in presentations because they are a great way to take a paragraph of text and make it easier to read, especially on slides for a presentation. Lists are much easier for your audience to read. Spend some time trying the bullets and numbering commands to see how they work. I'm going to continue working on and formatting my presentation, and don't worry, we'll fix those spelling mistakes later.